In this video, I'm going to show how to replace battery on Toyota Camry key fob. Tools I need is penny, as is recommended by Toyota to use, and a little screwdriver. In order to take it apart, we need to use penny and put it in the slot here and open it like that. And then there is a case the battery is in, which we need to take out. And it says here on this corner, use coin to open. And that's what I'm going to use. And do it again like that. Once it's open, we can access the battery. I will use aerosol to clean all dust off, if there's any, on all parts. And then take the battery out with a small screwdriver. We need to be very careful to not have battery jump out, because it tends to do that, and keep it in one place. Once we have it out, we need to replace it with CR2016. In my case, I really didn't need to replace it because it's still good, but I wanted to demonstrate how to do it because I heard some people saying that they don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna put same battery back, but before, well, we'll do one more time, cleaning with air, and then put battery back again in. When we do that, we need to put it towards these spring connectors and hold it with the finger while you push it down and push it back into place. At the same time, be careful to not damage these connectors. Then we need to put cover of the battery case back just by snapping it on. Very easy. There's only one way to put this battery case in main body, and then cover it with the back cover of the key fob. That is what it takes to replace battery on Toyota Camry. I hope this helps someone. Thank you for watching.